Unbox with Anas. Today video we will discuss about methods in Java. So let's start the video. So first one is understanding the methods in Java with a real world example. Before we go jump to the example of ATM machine, first we need to understand what is methods in Java, types of methods in Java, and why use methods in Java. Let's explore one by one. So what is methods? Methods are block of instructions which is used to perform a specific task. Basically, it is instructions which is provided uh, for your methods to perform well. So it is used to increase the code reusability and modularity. Methods help in organize code into a smaller and manageable parts. Basically, a methods is a protocols means what your method, how your methods behave. It's called it as a protocols or instructions provided to your methods. Just like filling the form in any website. So you just have to follow the instructions where you write your first name, where you write your second name, third name, and all of these kind of things is considered as an instructions. Or the methods is also act as it is instructions means whatever the instruction providing your methods is behave like that only. Let's go to the next part. So the next is our types of methods in Java. So there are two types of methods in Java. In the built-in methods that is called as a predefined methods in Java. Example of method squared. System.out.println. System.out.print. So whatever the methods you are getting from the Java imported is considered as a built-in method or predefined methods in Java. Also, we have a user-defined methods that is created by programmers to perform a specific task is considered as a user-defined methods in Java. They also have a functionality types of methods that is called it as a parameterized methods or no argument methods. We'll discuss in further videos. In this video, we will just focus on what is methods and why we use methods and types of methods in Java. Let's go to the next part of why we use methods in Java. So basically methods we use for a code reusability means write once or use multiple times. Suppose if you have a method like a payment. So if you have a multiple app like Phone Pay, Google Pay, so you don't have to write the same method in multiple times. You just inherited that method from one class to another class and use that method is considered as a code reusability and easily to access that methods. You don't have to write whole methods. And also it comes with a modularity. Break large code into a smaller parts. You can break the code into smaller parts to understand easily what is happening in your methods. And also readability to make the program easier to understand and easy to debugging. Fixing errors becomes simpler. Means you can fix your errors in easily for the easy debugging. If your method is small or well enough maintained. Let's go to the next part. So imagine a ATM machine and ATM machine that perform a different tasks like check balance, withdraw money, and deposit money. Like let's take one example. If you are staying in PG or hostel, okay, your renter is calling you for I want to money because your time is over. So what you do, you just call your father or parents to send me the money, I have to give the renter. So what your dad do? Just they send you the money through the phone pay or bank, and you receive that money. First, what you need to do, you just go to the phone pay, Google Pay, and check what the money is received or not. After receiving, you call the renters, give your mobile numbers, I will send you through the phone pay. But what your renter said, I want to cash. I don't want to be a online payment, because getting some we get suffered with some hacking, so they want to money as a cash. So what you need to do, you have to go to the ATM. So let's go to the ATM. After going to the ATM, first what you need to do, you just swipe your ATM in the ATM machine. After that, you will get some functionality or interface like check balance, withdraw money, and deposit money. So you have to withdraw money. First, you have to enter the password. After password, you have to get the withdraw money, deposit money, or check balance. So you just click to the withdraw money, and then you have to how much money you want. You have to type it here. So that also have some instructions. You have to type only 200, 500, 100. You can't be right like a 50 rupees or 10 rupees, because that can have some instructions. You cannot put, type that kind of money. So, so after typing your money like 1000 or 5000, after that, click in the enter, and then you receive your money, or else you will also enter the password again, and after that you will collect your money. So that is called it as a example of ATM machine to understand how the methods work, how the instructions you are provided by the uh, bank to receive your money easily through the ATM, and going back to your PC and hostel and give you that money to your friend. That's all about this in video. Next video, we will take the example of ATM, and we will discuss about the how the programs work like that. We will use some static program and discuss how methods work. Let's also discuss about the technical terminology of the method. That is method terminology, access modifier, return type, method name, and formal argument. So how we understand what type of method we have to write. Let's suppose if you have a modifier, return type, method name, and formal argument is considered as a method signature. Means what type of modifier you give there. If there is a right or give there is considered as a type of method. Suppose if you have write here a static, is considered as a static type of method. If you are writing a default, is considered as a default type or non-static method. If you have write a private here, it considered as a private method. We cannot inherit outside the class. So, so to understand your method, what type of method is considered as a method signature, and if you have a access modifier, return type, method name, formal argument is considered as a method declarations. So whole method is considered as a method declaration. Access modifier is decide where public is needs to access to outside the class also, outside the package also. If your method is a protected, is considered as a uh, inside of class, and inside of package itself you can access that method. So that is called as the access modifier. We will discuss in later video how many access modifiers and modifiers, how it works, and how what will be the role in the methods. Also, we have a block of method block, that is a method block, body, or implementations. You can say anything about this block, that is called as a method block. So, so all this kind of thing is considered as a method definitions. This is the technical terminology. I thought you have to understand this also. So that's why I just explained that as well. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Works with us. Next video. we will discuss more about these methods and we'll take some examples of methods in our coding. Thank you so much.